So, Superman punch, you want to cover from a kicking distance here. So, I want to sell it with a couple kicks. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, get him thinking about the kick. I go to throw the kick, I can come over the top. He's thinking downward, I'm coming over the top. Whole point of the Superman punch is to cover the distance from a kicking distance, not a punching distance here. So, orthodox, southpaw, same concept, okay? Same leg, same arm. I'll sell the kick, and my other leg is gonna come through as much as possible. I'm gonna use my lifting leg to pivot off the air as I punch. And I'm gonna cover as much distance as I can with my base leg.